Let's go find out what it's like to wander the streets of Iberian cities. Ponta Delgada was a bit underwhelming. Street life felt muted and quiet. Most of the decor was white without any bright accents. We also didn't see any outside street cafes, which was in abundance in the next three cities.
Every time I see you, I'm caught up in the feeling. I get to know.
Ponta Delgada is located out in the Atlantic Ocean. There was a threat of a storm on our visit and the air was chilly. This also likely affected the vibe.
When my heart is thrown open.
So, what's going on here? Well, we ran into a new friend. And surprisingly, in a much busier city, it happened again with somebody else.
Every time I see you, I'm caught up in your magic. When I fall to pieces, you pull me back together.
Lisbon set the bar for our remaining visits. A busy town with a very active population. Restaurant and cafes spilt out onto the streets everywhere we went.
I never knew the feeling until you.
So here's how this trip happened. Now, we already had our Africa trip booked. You guys have seen it. Well, if you haven't seen it, please check out those videos. Becky and I had never traveled internationally. Sorry, we don't count Mexico and Canada as traveling international. It was suggested we try something international before Africa, so we booked a transatlantic cruise to Spain. As we stated in our very first video, we ran into a lot of Europeans on our trip in Africa. Even though Africa is just on the other side of the Mediterranean, where we went was the southern end of Africa. From Europe, most folks had a 10-hour flight to Namibia. So, even though it feels like we are so far away from home, when we went to Africa, we went a lot further.
Time I see you, I just wanna feel you. Pull me closer.
We visited this grand church, and at first I was unsure if filming was allowed. But after seeing a sign indicating filming is encouraged and seeing everyone doing it, I felt comfortable capturing this location. If you like this church, then you are in for a real treat. In an upcoming video, we're going to bring you guys along with us as we explore the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. We stopped in a random cafe for a midday snack as we wandered around. Inside that cafe was a couple we had been having dinner with on our cruise. Totally random. Later though, as we were winding down our Africa adventure, this same couple invited us to go on a cruise through the Panama Canal. And of course we said yes, and that cruise is happening at the end of this year. That Panama Canal cruise will be a future series. Something we discovered throughout our trip to Spain was how open and friendly the world can be. Nah, it can be the opposite too at times, but right here during this trip, as we are sharing this with you, The feelings and experiences of discovering something new, places and people, is so uplifting. Cadiz, I later discovered, is an island just off the coast of Spain. Unlike Lisbon, Cadiz had a bit of a smaller town feel. Very much a coastal town, and they embrace it well. Cadiz also had a very vibrant outdoor restaurant community. Just not during the daily siesta, which is between lunch and dinner. Have you been to Spain? Comment below, we'd love to hear from you. If you are enjoying this video, we'd love to have you subscribe and leave us a like, as it really helps us grow this channel and community. We have many more videos coming in the weeks ahead. Barcelona is a city of about 1.6 million people. Despite this size, Barcelona is incredibly walkable. Every commercial space is filled with a restaurant, shop, or bar. Nothing was vacant. A benefit of visiting before tourist season is most folks were warm and friendly. Thank you for watching. We're glad you joined us.